Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Crochet Shop by Nano. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet beautiful summer cover-up top. It's super fast and easy. First, you need your selected yarn. I will use nylon fishing twin, 1 to 2 skeins according to your selected size. 4 to 5 Caron Fabulous Railroad ribbon yarn. You can double your yarn according to your selected size. 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, measuring tape, scissors, markers and yarn needle. Mix colors as you like. You can use any suitable crochet hook according to your selected yarn. I will take 2 strands of these yarns. Play with colors as you like. First, make a slip knot according to your selected method. Then, chain multiples of 2 plus 4. In this tutorial, I will make 145 chain stitches according to your selected length. Then double your chains. So in this tutorial, I will make 290 chain stitches, then 4 chain stitches. Measure your double chain stitches and check your numbers. Measure your chain stitches and check your numbers. Then, after you 4 chain stitches, skip 3 chain stitches from the hook. In the next stitch, 3 times method by yarn over and pull through 1 loop, then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, then chain 1, then skip 1 chain stitch. In the next one, make another 1 double crochet stitch in 3 times like this, then chain 1, repeat like this, chain 1, skip 1 chain stitch, then in the next one make 1 double crochet stitch in 3 times method. You can make any double crochet method as you like. This double crochet method is secure it. Repeat this to finish the first row. Repeat like this. After you finish the first row, in the last you will find 2 chain stitches. Skip 1 in the last one, make 1 double crochet stitch in the 3 times method. Now you finished the first row. To make the second row, chain 3, turn your work. In the first chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet stitch in 3 times method, then chain 1, skip the next double crochet stitch. In the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet stitch, repeat like this, chain 1, in the next chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet stitch, repeat like this to finish the second row. Repeat this. After you finished the second row, in the last you will find the chain 3 space. Insert your hook and make 1 double crochet stitch as you work. Now you finished the second row. This is the basic row. To repeat this row, chain 3, turn your work and repeat the row number 2 or the second row. In the first space make 1 double crochet stitch, then chain 1. In the next space make 1 double crochet stitch. Repeat like this to finish this row, and repeat this row to finish this piece. Repeat like this to your selected size. Measure your rows according to this chart, or 8 rows according your selected size. After you finish the last row and check your numbers, finish the last row, fasten off and weave in ends. Now repeat this piece to make 2 pieces of this scarf. Now put it together like this. Flat your work, fold like this and put it together. Put markers to make it more secure. Put stitches together like this. After you fold your pieces, put markers to make stitches together like this. Put stitches together like this and count your numbers to divide in half. To place the back half point, by put a marker like this. Now put a marker in the last space like this. Take care the 2 double crochet stitches together. Repeat this in the opposite side to make the armhole depth, and repeat this in the second piece. To join the 2 pieces together, Join the inside markers together like this. Put the two pieces together. Start to join by insert your hook in the opposite double crochet stitch inside the loop. Work through the two pieces stitches together. Repeat this in the next chain stitch. Work inside stitches loops together. Repeat this to finish the back line. To make the neck back open, after you finish line stitches, before the back half markers, skip 1 to 6 spaces according to your selected size. Remove the markers. Then chain 1, cut the yarn and fasten off to even ends. After you finished the back line, start to repeat joining the top side. Optional, skip some stitches to make open side top. Flat your work and fold in half. Now start to make the armhole depth, measuring according to your selected size. Put a marker like this. And repeat this in the opposite side and check stitches numbers. Now I'll start to join. In this tutorial I'll skip to 20 chain 1 spaces, then I started to join sides to make open side top. Put a marker and repeat this in the opposite side. After you finished the joining with open side, start to finish your work weaving ends to fasten off and finish your piece. Now your piece is ready. Optional, add nylon tassels. In this tutorial I made 7 tassels, every tassel made of 100 rounds. Join tassels with yarn needle like this. Now your top cover up is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like it, gives me big thumbs up. To see more, see you, bye bye.